So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to customize line spacing on a Google Docs. So if I just were to go ahead and just type in custom spacing right here a few times, I will then copy and paste this a few times as well, just to show you my current line spacing, which I believe is double spacing at the moment. So if you wanted to change this number and have a specific spacing, it's super straightforward. Highlight your entire text. On this middle bar, go to the far right and press the A with the underline. Make sure that paragraph is selected, so if it's on text, go to paragraph. Then at the bottom where it says line spacing, this is when you can go ahead and adjust the line spacing and kind of customize it. So right now it's on 2. If I were to go down, it could be 1.5, 1.15, 1.0, and you can basically go ahead and customize it this way and play around with it. So if you want to be 1.1 or 1.5, you can go ahead and keep it that way, and you guys can custom line space that way. So that is how you guys can customize line spacing on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.